Today I'm going to show you how to spatchcock chicken. What is spatchcock chicken? Well, it's cutting the chicken in such a way that it lays flat and open just like this. This allows the chicken to cook evenly and quicker. You'll have crispier chicken skin and your meat will be moist and tender. Place your chicken on a cutting board, then turn your chicken upside down with the legs facing towards you. The spine will run directly down the middle. Using a good pair of kitchen shears, cut against the spine and down the rib cage all the way through. Flip around the chicken so that you are holding the cut part of the spine for good grip, and then you're going to cut down the other side. Save that neck bone for chicken broth. Finally, you're going to cut the center of the cartilage above the breastbone and split it in half. This is what's going to let the chicken lie flat. From here, you can add a dry rub, you can marinate it, you can brine it, you can grill it, smoke it, roast it. Cook it however you want. It's going to cook even and the skin's going to get crispy and you're going to love this cooking method. For more tips and recipes, visit aforkstale.com.